So Matilda,
Yeah.
what colour were all the birds to start with?
One was red and
Oh, they were all the same colour. What colour were they?
black.
Yeah, they were all black to start with. And the dove was flying around. What was he looking for?
I don't know. Water.
Wasn't water.
A friend.
No, it wasn't a friend.
Oh, I don't remember.
He was looking for a juicy grub, wasn't he? But he swooped down and instead of getting the juicy grub, what happened to him?
He cried.
Didn't cry.
Did he,
What happened to his foot?
it got hurt.
How did it get hurt?
I don't know.
He got a big stick stuck in it, didn't he? And then he got very sick. Who came to help him?
A kangaroo.
No, wasn't any kangaroo in the story. Who came to help him?
A lizard.
No, there were no lizards in the story.
A snake.
No, there was no snakes in the story. It was all the other birds. All the birds came to help him, didn't they? But one bird didn't. Who was the one that didn't come to help?
The rainbow one.
No, they were all the same colour.
Black one.
Yep, they were all black. It was the crow, wasn't it? He didn't come to help. Now, then the parrot came along and he used his sharp beak. What did he do?
He hurt the
The dove?
dove.
Yeah, he didn't hurt him. He burst his sore foot open, didn't he? And what came out?
Stick.
Matilda?
Stick.
No, it wasn't the stick. What came out of his sore foot?
I don't know.
Ah, it was all the colours, wasn't it?
No.
And the colours splashed all over the birds. But one bird didn't get any colours. Which bird didn't get any colours?
The black one.
Yeah, the crow. All right, thanks, Matilda.